Most Notion templates are beautiful and completely useless. You download them, spend an hour setting them up, then never open them again. Sound familiar? That's not a you problem. That's a template problem. The wrong template adds friction instead of removing it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly which ones actually stick. First one is a personal finance dashboard, not a spreadsheet. A live Notion page where your income, expenses, and net worth all live together. You update it once a week, 10 minutes max. It kills the guesswork. You stop wondering where your money went. You actually see it. That shift alone is worth more than any budgeting app. Second is a side hustle tracker. If you're running any kind of income outside your 9 to 5, you need this. It tracks your projects, your invoices, your income per client. Everything in one place. No more mental juggling, no more missed payments. You can see at a glance what's actually making you money and what's just eating your time. Third is a weekly life OS. This one sounds intense, but it's dead simple. It's just your whole week on one page. Work tasks, personal goals, habits, priorities. All visible at once. No switching between 5 apps, no sticky notes on your monitor. Just one page. Open it Monday morning and you know exactly what the week looks like. Fourth is a goal and habit tracker. And here's where most people get this wrong. They track too many habits. Pick 3, maybe 4. This template forces you to keep it tight. You see your streaks. You see where you're slipping. That visual alone keeps you honest. I've seen people completely reverse bad money habits just by tracking them. Seriously. Fifth is a content and income planner. If you're building any kind of online income, YouTube, newsletters, digital products, you need a system. This template maps your content to your income goals. You stop posting randomly and start posting strategically. Here at Invest Edge Guides, this kind of template is exactly what keeps things consistent without burning out. So to recap, finance dashboard, side hustle tracker, weekly life OS, habit tracker, and content planner. 5 templates. Each one solves a specific problem. None of them require you to be a Notion expert. You don't need to build from scratch. You just need the right starting point and then make it yours. I've linked the best versions of these templates in the description. Most of them are free or close to it. Go grab them now and actually use one this week. If this video helped, hit like. It genuinely helps more people find this. Subscribe if you want more real talk on money and side hustles. I'll see you in the next one.